Hi everyone, back with a new video with Obsidian and Claude Code to show you part of my daily workflow and process when it comes to journaling and keeping on track my progress. So basically, what I've done here is a simple command that I use on Claude Code, and then I just dictate through a vocal note, audio note, directly what's on my mind. And that note would be then, thanks to Claude Code and the AI template I provided, will be structured back into the journal folder in my Obsidian following a very specific template. So let's get started and I will show you how this works. So on the right here, I have my Claude Code session and all I have to do is journal. And this is the command where basically it's gonna trigger everything. Hey there, ready to capture your day. And all I have is copy to run that command. And what it's gonna happen here, you can see, for example, the nudge that is provided. Just share whatever on your mind, whether it's work wins, random thoughts, or creative ideas, how you're feeling, plans brewing for tomorrow, meeting highlights, etc. And from here, all I have to do is just record my thoughts, my ideas, whatever going on my mind. And let's give it an example. So today I had to skip my cycling session. It was too hot this morning, but I was glad I managed to send few connections to a list of candidates for our hiring. At the same time, I managed to move forward with our branding guidelines, templates, and confirming the final brand design playbook. But it was a bit challenging to get everyone at the same length of perspective, but I think we'll be getting there. But I think still at the same time, we are moving slow in terms of hiring and recruiting. The talent we're looking for is still quite expensive and we cannot right away afford it. But we need to work with headhunters and maybe do some referrals. At the same time, I think tomorrow would be quite exciting because we're going to have our first pitch and then followed up with our first announcement in terms of fundraising. That's it for today. And I'm gonna be traveling the day after to meet new prospects. So what you're seeing here is basically I dictated my content, whatever I had in my mind multiple times a day. It's taken into consideration here with Claude Code. It's being processed, and what's going to happen, you can see here in the left in a few seconds. This is the structure of the final journal note entry. So you can see the daily journal, August 3rd, focus priorities, notes, learnings, wins. And this template is the one I designed and provided to Claude Code, and it will be used to provide the final output. So here I'm going to confirm this, and you're going to see on this left side the new journal entry popping up right away. There you go. So here we have it. And once we select it, there you go. We have the date formatting works the same way. Focus priorities, notes and ideas, the learnings, the wins, my journal entries, what's in for tomorrow, and the progress, what has been completed in progress and upcoming. So this is a very simple process. It took me like few minutes here, and this is something that is really powerful when you pair both Claude Code with the right instruction and the right workflows, and you have your Obsidian as your second brain. Hope this helpful. If you have any questions, let me know, and see you in the next video.